Oh no, you could fix it. I ain't finna keep typing stuff in. Let me see, 16 or 9. Oh, I have multiply it. 35. 15. I would do something extra. But you know what? I'm finna see if that light cancels out.
It's a big number.
It's bigger than that? It was bigger than that? Oh no, I just did and got the meter. And then I just divided it by the 3,600. And got it. Or you could have multiplied it with this and this, but it wouldn't have been exactly the same because you got around that little small number.
Yeah, I get that too.
Whatever.
See this part right here, I probably like kind of make that like a
Yeah, that was just when she was
probably not
just
an equals. You know, it's not everything equaling that. So probably just just kind of like a little.
Oh, that wasn't supposed to go there for real. I just put it there when we was talking about multiplication.
Yeah. So just if you ever are putting that onto your answer, just be careful. We're reading it left to right, so and then having an equal sign right there. So,
you did my problem?
No.
Another one.
Okay, because the meter, okay.
Cool, good job. Round of applause. All right, what about the highway? Anybody else try the highway?
I don't need no more.
Yeah, I mean it's pretty. We could do the estimate. We could do the next one. I mean it's very close to 35 miles per hour is gonna be just half of 70. It's very close to the 72. So a 31.2 meters per second, something like that for the 35 miles per hour. Estimate jogging and walking speed by timing yourself and then convert the measurements into both meters per second and miles per hour. So the way we would do this hate to erase y'all's amazing work here.
Thank you.
So look what we have here.
Some matter.
Yeah. Yeah, this is a meter stick. So it says estimate jogging and walking speed by timing yourself. So we could try timing ourselves too and see if we come up with a good
I got you. Run it, please.
let's see here. Something like this.
It is, that's 6 yards, Martin.
It's a meter.
Oh, that's
so
a meter.
it's
Okay.
yeah. So it's close to a yard. Yeah. So I'm thinking. It's not very straight, but basically that's 2 meters, right? So normal walking, and then boom.
Miles per hour.
So we can do our, well, this would be meters per whatever,
Second.
probably per second, because that would be pretty easy to, you know, we have 1, 2, 3, you know. So let's go ahead and try that out. I'll get a stopwatch. Who would like to be our lucky volunteer today? Stopwatch. Back up a little bit because you're ahead of the start position.
Can't already be up in there.
Yep. All right. Ready, set, go.
I don't know why.
All right.
That's a long one.
All right.
Ain't that long one.
So I get.
It's like you showed them for the
So I get 2.59 seconds. But mind you, this is for 2 meters.
That ain't good.
So this is gonna be
So that's pretty fast, ain't it?
2 meters.
That's a pretty fast walk, huh?
Okay.
Need to be swift
we
with
could
the bag.
we could see what the average typical
got a lot of
walking
it.
speed,
Yeah.
or we could take one of y'all's we could get another.
I'm gonna do that shit. Well, one. Jump over there.
Okay.
Y'all go.
My
So
legs
let's reset.
So yours might be a little faster.
She already looked like she's
All
doing no
right.
business.
All right, ready,
Yeah.
set, go.
2. Damn.
Okay.
2 feet.
I stopped it at 1.7.
Damn.
What was you up there doing?
That was like 2 steps.
For 2 meters. So this is like saying, all right, delta x over delta time. Okay, our change in position over our change of time is velocity. Velocity equals delta x over change of time, which is x final minus x initial, or t final minus t initial, which is that. Alright. Since it's, well, anyway. So
Initial is
now,
always 0, right?
right, that's what I was about to say, is that initial is 0. Not always, but
Great. Okay.
and then my x, I'll just say 2 meters. You know, if we had, you know, I'm sure there's some other ways that we could have, you know, I could have added another one, and then I could have said this is the origin. I could have said this is 0, this is like -1. So now I gotta, it'll be +2 minus 1. So and then There's ways to do it that way too.
So how many feet is this?
2 meters. Maybe a little bit.
Um,
Oh, you said
6?
3?
Feet?
Is a meter?
A foot.
No, 3 feet.
1 foot.
1 yard. And a yard is, I think, less than a meter or bigger than a meter.
I think it might be.
Meters is larger than feet. 1 feet is 3.
Yard?
3 feet is 1 meter.
And we'll never use feet in here, will we?
Correct. Yeah, we typically don't.
You know what? We don't fight about that.
The better
1
one.
foot is 0.3 of a meter. So 3.
So,
Other way around.
a third of a meter is 1 foot.
So and then the other way around.
That is 6 feet. That is like 6.5 feet. So that's 12 feet right there. It's 12 feet on the floor.
1 meter is 3. No.
Mm-mm.
6. Yeah.
6.5.
6.
Oh,
Yeah,
a meter
yeah.
is 3 feet.
Yeah. Yeah, you got it right the first time. Alright.
They don't look like 12 feet.
Right. Alright, so now that we know what our x is, 2 meters over 2.59 seconds. Alright, so now we can do meters per second, because this is kind of strange, 2 meters over 2.59 seconds. Instead of, we don't typically say 2 meters over it, we typically want to have 1 meter per second.
Right, because
So let's do-
nobody's ever that slow.
So, well, it's just, why would I say like 2 exits? Like I want to say it took me this long to get to 2 exits. You would just say like, oh, my speed to get over here, or my speed on the highway was 65. I typically want to say like 2 exits over time. Does that make sense? What I'm saying? Yeah. All right, so.
Yeah, there's already 2 tubes, so why not just say what the smaller
Well, just I want to eliminate this fraction, is what I'm saying. I want to eliminate this. I want to complete the sequence. Like I'm not all the way complete. Like it's.
Yeah, I know what you, I can't tell you the word right now, but yeah, when they tell us to change the fraction, it's going to
Simplify it. Yeah, point 0.77. All right, so we get 0.77 meters per second. All right, so I just did 2 divided by 2.59 equals 0.77 meters per second. All right, so hers, I get 2 divided by 1.74. So I get 2 divided by 1.1, yeah, 1.14. 1.15, because it's 1.49, so 1.15 meters per second. All right, so cool. So then be like, oh, what's the difference? 1.77. We'll see how much longer, which. Okay, so you were 0.38 meters per second, slower or faster, whatever. All right, so
Who's slower?
so your speed was slower.
significant. I might add.
Because wait.
No.
Wait, no. For 2 meters.
Yeah, she got her 2 meters done
Hers was faster.
in 1 point.
2 divided by 1.74.
It's right. She going more meters in her 1 second than him. He
Right,
only
right,
goes
right.
0.77
Exactly.
meters in his 1 second. And she going 1 and some change.
In 1 second. Exactly, yeah.
You ain't even get 1 meter per second. That's what we on average like at least.
So let's see what's the average.
It's okay. I just think that was a bad walk.
Yeah, he was.
Average
Had that leg day.
walking speed in meters per second. According to Science Direct, the average walking speed for adults is between 1.2 and 1.4 meters per second. Well, hers was much closer. You know, it could have been a little human error for me to stop it right at 1.74. You know, she might have
Let me walk.
crossed the line just a little bit. Yeah,
Go ahead.
we can do it.
So I
Because
go
then we still want to do miles per hour too. So that way we can understand it in a more sensible manner. All right, let's
Oh, I was
see
playing.
J Mac.
Oh, we just put
Let's see.
in.
I was definitely
You want to talk about his gate?
I was
97.
playing. It's gonna look. It's probably about the same as hers.
Yeah, let's try it
How
out.
the hell you figure that?
Let's try it out.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. All right.
This is what lab is all about. Ready, set, go.
Don't be I was not.
That was even for real.
I was not.
I don't think that was.
I
Alright,
didn't say
Alright, we gotta-
Why would you say that?
Even for real.
Just because it took me 2 leaps doesn't.
See, another way you could do that, you could also start walking back here, and then I'll start it, and then stop it.
Yeah, do it that way. Do it that way. Do it that
What?
way. Do it that way. Do it that way. Back up, back that way.
Yeah.
What you talking about?
Back that way and
So
just
that
walk.
way we can really see
Yeah.
Okay.
a normal. So back up just a little bit more,
Yeah.
and then just walk normal.
Yeah.
Just
Oh, go ahead.
Yeah, go ahead.
She playing.
No, but this how I really walk. This how I walk. Like, I'm gonna walk like that. Because if I'm walking across the campus, I'm.
Okay, go ahead.
Like,
No,
I'm
she's
gonna walk.
picking up the pace.
Right.
She's picking up the pace.
That's
She did not
cool.
walk
I
like
mean,
that.
I know you lying. This is regular pace. For somebody to walk. Like, now if I'm carrying my backpack, I might have a little slump, but why? I'm free.
I know you.
Let me
I know
see.
you lying.
I
I know you lying. Cause that's faster than her.
Was smooth.
And
like
that's
that.
faster than me.
yeah.
If I'm walking somewhere, I'm trying to get somewhere.
Ain't no way.
1.43.
I guess we was just cruising.
I mean, I didn't know we were speed walking. I can do it again.
I didn't walking.
Yeah, I was trying to do a
She was
normal,
ready.
a regular walk, but it's alright.
Oh, I got
we
you.
have some different things.
I mean, she's still faster than both of us.
It's always because my legs a little long.
So
Y'all got stuff that's playing against y'all on average.
now that we're in meters per second, let's try converting that to mile per hour. Per hour. So, I'll just do an arrow. 0.77 meters per second to miles per hour. So I want miles per hour, so I'm gonna put that at the end. I'm gonna do 0.77 meters. I'm gonna do how many meters right now? another way to do what we've been doing this whole time. It's just to do units. Just do units without taking values, like the person was saying. And you walked out, he doesn't even want to know anymore. Alright, minute to an hour. Minute. Yeah, it's an hour, yeah. Alright, cool. Alright. Oh, it was 1609.34. .77. So 1 mile.
Let me put it in my calculator. Ooh, should be 16. Oh,
So now we're doing it the other way around. Yeah, so this time it's not 1609 on top. This time it's the other way around.
Oh, we talking
Because we
about-
had meters. Now we gotta divide by that big number.
Yeah, you need to see how many meters are in there or not. Oh, you need to divide, is what you're saying. So I'm putting in 1609.34 divided by, or am I doing times 0.77? Because it'll still make the number.
No.
Small?
So 0.77 divided by 1609.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because on the top, 0.77 meters, 1 mile is 1609 meters, so we gotta divide by the 1609.
Okay. No, I'm doing 0.77 divided by the 1609. And I'm getting 0.000478.
Alright, so now multiply that times 60, or 3600 if you want to split it. 100, yeah.
I got 1.722.
Alright, 1.722 miles per hour. Alright, let's try the next one.
That's
So
so
now that
slow.
we know what we need.
See, no, and I'll be walking places, so I know on average I'm doing in an hour. I can walk 4 to 5 miles in an hour. I'm just trying to be so serious.
What?
Yes.
Man,
No. What?
Yes.
45?
Okay, look
45
at
miles in an hour?
4 to 5 miles.
4.
I can barely run 5 miles an hour.
I might be jogging a little bit because
That's
like I'm
Chuck.
not on the hill.
That's Chuck.
I'm a
That's
jump.
a
you
Chuck.
can run a mile in 8 minutes.
I'm not going.
Oh, you got long legs. You can do that.
That's the like regular PT test. You gotta do your mile
Don't worry about it.
8 minutes, and if you are over 10, then it's going.
Yeah,
You
I
not-
do a
Okay,
mile.
I'm talking to you. You about right? Okay, fast walker.
I do a
45
mile in about
miles
11
an
minutes.
hour.
Yeah, I got to be in the zone if I'm doing the 4. Like on average, it's probably only 3.2 or something. But I keep my fitness thing on me and check my steps and then see how many miles I did in a day and then check the miles.
5 miles an hour. That's a chuck. That's.
But I just got ahead of myself. But I was like 1.72. You ain't even do 2 miles in an hour. I just can't with the walking. Like that'll hurt my heart. Just though I'm dragging along like that.
Alright, so that's what I get for that.
That's good.
So,
2.5 is cool.
the way we do this one, since we want to cross out meters, we want to put, 1 mile over 1609.34 meters. So this time we're doing the opposite.
1 mile.
for miles per hour, we did multiplying, you know, inverse. So now that we're doing the opposite, this is how we're coming up with that. And then we're multiplying by 60 on the top, the 3,600. So 1.43 divided by 1609.34, and multiply that by 3,600. And 3.198. So basically 3.2. Yeah. 3.2. Alright. So it says here the average walking speed is between 2.5 and 4 miles per hour.
So everybody is on the curve.
And many factors can affect walking speed,
What's that?
including walking faster than another person.
First off, I feel like this was set up. Like it was set up.
This is
Yeah,
like
y'all
walking
just-
award.
Y'all just, yeah, y'all was.
Oh, you trying to outwalk me? Let me
Yeah.
go.
See, her
Yeah.
fitness level may be a little bit greater than yours. Competitive walkers can walk a mile in 11 minutes, while those who are new to fitness or older may take closer to 20 minutes.
I can run a mile in about 11 minutes.
I'm like, you can run a mile and
It depends.
it could be less than
It
10.
depends
It's
on how
just-
tired I am. If I'm tired, I could probably hit maybe 9 minutes.
Tight. If you locked
If
in.
I'm locked in, it's game time. I could probably get a good 8, 9 minutes.
So it says the speed of an ant, snail, or fallen leaf. What is the average walking speed of an ant? The average walking speed of a black ant is around 0.08 meters per second. That means that a black ant can walk from one end of a meter stick to the other in about 12.5 seconds. 0.08 meters per second.
They walking real slow, ain't it? So it's that bad.
I mean, how small they are.
Right, that's.
With that big, what they got? They got a big head or a big body? Like, I'm not one of them. They just.
I mean, how small they are. They say ants are pretty strong, and I mean, they seem to be moving pretty fast when you look at it.
That little empire, little
Right.
Yeah, they be.
Right. It may not be a whole anthill, you know, yesterday and today, the next day you
Y'all
come
do all that
back.
work, man?
Yeah.
Like, I was putting in work.
Yeah. So 0.08 divided by 1609.34.
They like, yeah, we was moving sand all night.
600, right? Is .178. So I'll say 0.2 miles per hour.
Oh, that's good for them. That's a fifth of a mile and an hour. Good for them. They could move a whole mile in 5 hours. That's less than a fourth of the day for them. And they be up all the time.
Yeah. Right.
Doing 4 miles a day.
Yeah, so that was fun. Nice experiment. Cool, good job. Let's give our volunteers a round of applause. Very nice. Good job, that was cool. That was fun.